Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to align fields in Act. So you're working on the layout, you've added some fields in, but as you can see they're all over the place in the layout. They're not aligned very well at all. So let me show you how to do this. I'm going to come up and I'm going to click on Tools, I'm going to go to Design Layouts, Contact. Once I'm inside this, I'm going to maximize this window, and the first thing I'm going to do is I want to align the labels. So this is how I do this. I'm going to click on Hobbies. I'm going to hold the Control key down on my keyboard. I'm going to click on Children's Names and Chocolate Ice Cream. Now, at this point, I'm going to go up to Format, Align, and I'm going to align the left edges of this. And notice we can align the centers, the rights, the tops, the middles, and the bottoms. But I'm going to go with lefts. I'm going to click, and now they're all aligned to the left. So it took the alignment, and just if you didn't notice that, it made a decision on the alignment based on the last item I selected. So this time I did Hobbies, Children's Name, and Chocolate Ice Cream was the last thing I chose. I'm going to change the direction of this a little bit, or the way I've aligned this in this example here. So I'm going to choose Hobbies last. So I'm going to click on Chocolate Ice Cream. I'm going to hold the Control key down, Children's Names, and Hobbies. And when I go up to Format and Align Lefts, you'll see it chose to align everything with the last item I selected. So now we have things sort of spread all over the screen, and we've got some kind of an alignment going here, but it's still out of whack. So what I need to do next is I need to move things and get them all aligned with this and get these aligned with this. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. First, I'm going to click on Hobbies. I'm going to click on Children's Names, Chocolate Ice. And again, after the first selection, I'm holding the Control key down. And the last thing I'm going to choose is AMA score. That is my last choice. So now when I click on Align Left, it's going to remember my last choice and align it with that. So I'm going to go to Format, Align Lefts, and aligned everything with my last choice. So next, I'm going to click on Hobbies, Children's Name by holding the Control key down, Chocolate Ice Cream, and AMA score. And I'm going to go Format, Align Lefts, and it aligned everything with the AMA score. So now we're getting a little closer to making this look a little bit better, but that is the first step in working with alignment. You want to align the lefts in most cases, and that's why I'm focusing on that. And just remember, it's going to align it with the last thing you chose. I want to thank everyone for being here. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you very much. Be well. Bye now.